Is a live streaming app that allows you to earn by going live and performing other platform tasks. Okay, so if you're new here, that's what Crush Life is all about. Just like other platforms, other live streaming apps that you earn from. Okay, that gives its viewers. So as a host, you can earn from going live by going live, and you can also earn by performing other system tasks that are required from you. So you can't just withdraw without performing a task. This is not a Ponzi scheme where you want to you don't put any money and you start earning, or you put 1 naira, you want to get 10 naira. No, you have to do the task here, and you have to be patient enough for it to grow gradually. Okay, so today we are going to withdraw from our patience work. We're going to withdraw from all we have done for these few days. Okay, so stay tuned. Yeah, it's time to withdraw from our Crush Life. Today I'll be giving us step-by-step guide on how to withdraw from Crush Life. Are you ready? Yeah. If you're joining us for the first time, my name is Obinna Ikechukwu Njoko, and on this channel we talk about live streaming opportunities, Christian and inspirational content. Today we are going to talk about Crush Life and how to withdraw from Crush Life. Yeah, so let's dive in. I'm going to use the screen I'm going to share the screen on this video, but I want to have a comment. If you don't like this method, let me know. If you like it, let me know, so I'll continue with it or stop it. All for you. Okay, so let's dive in. Thank you. The first thing you have to do when you want to withdraw is to open your app. The first thing you have to do when you want to withdraw is to open your app and tap on Crush Life. When you tap on Crush Life, you allow it to load. Okay, you allow it to load. Now you come to me, you press me, you tap on withdraw. So once you tap on withdraw, you wait for it to load, and once it loads, you can see that I have 109,581 gems. So if you want to withdraw the cash, you leave it here as it's highlighted here. But if you want to exchange it to coins, you tap on the second icon and you see what you can do here. You see coin exchange. When you open it, you will see all the coin exchange. You have we have one exchange ratio, then we have what you are going to receive as coins. So if you exchange 109,581, you're going to receive 103,006 coins. Okay, so that is it. I don't want to exchange to coins. I want to withdraw money because I need money right now. Okay, so we are going to go back and tap on, remember our account is already set. If you have not uploaded your account, your bank account here, please check the other video. I'll put the description, I'll put the link on the description box, so you can watch that one before you come to withdraw. Now, as the rule states, you must have 100,000 points before you can be able to withdraw. So mine is 109,000 already. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we will tap on this USSD withdrawal amount. Remember, 10,000 gems is $10. Okay, so $10 now, the ratio or the rate is what the system is going to calculate and give you. Okay, so here we have USSD withdrawal amount. So I'm going to put 10. As an agent, I am entitled to only 10, though it should be for everyone 10. You don't put ratio or point anything, 10.9, no. You have to put 10 coin, okay? Or 10 as a round number 10. So now we have withdrawal. Withdraw $10 at 1,370 naira. Do you understand? For $1. Now we have fees. You're going to pay fees of $0.75. Okay, so what you're going to receive is $9.25 dollars. Okay, so when you withdraw, when you're set, you tap on this withdraw. You tap on the withdraw, you allow it to load. Are you sure you want to apply for withdrawal? You confirm. Okay, once you confirm, you'll be asked to put your security password. Remember, security password. You have to put your security password. Okay, so I've put mine. Then I'm going to tap on confirm. So once I tap on confirm, my withdrawal has been registered, and when you come back to your balance, you're going to see 9,581 gems remaining. Okay, so that is how to withdraw on Crush Life. Under few minutes, you will see it in your bank account, like Naira account. Okay, so it's not going to take time. So if you have not been able to withdraw and you have not set up your account, please first of all set up your account, then you can now withdraw. It's very simple. Okay, it's very, very simple, right? So that'll be all. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Just give it a thumbs up if you like the video, please. Thank you and God bless you. Bye for now.